Just like human beings, dogs absolutely enjoy playing in the water. They love to join their humans on swimming, rafting, kayaking, boating, fishing, and paddleboarding adventures. If you'd like to bring your beloved dog along on your watercraft, you will need the best dog flotation vest to keep them safe and happy in the water. There are many products available to choose dog life jackets, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best dog life jackets from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Outward Hound Dog Life Jacket. The Outward Hound Granby Dog Life Jacket is the best life jacket for dogs that aren't strong swimmers. Thanks to the front float support, it provides plenty of buoyancy to help poor swimmers keep their head above water even in rough waters. Other features that make it a top-rated dog life vest, trusted by thousands of dog owners, include 2 strong rescue handles and a high-visibility hue with reflective accents. For comfort and durability, the Granby is made of a ripstop nylon shell and has a neoprene band supporting the belly and chest. For added comfort, this wraparound chest piece ensures the straps don't dig into your dog's chest. Best of all, the design leaves your dog's front and hind legs free to run on land or swim in the water. No matter the size of your dog, you'll be able to find the perfect fit as the Granby is available in XS to XL sizes and features adjustable straps. For ease of rescue, the vest has 2 grab handles that make lifting even a large dog out of the water easy. Number 2. Hakka Dog Life Jacket Vest. The Hakka Dog Life Jacket provides exceptional flotation you can count on to keep your dog's head above water. Available in XXS to XXL sizes, it suits puppies and small breeds, and is also one of the best large life jackets for dogs. Made of a ripstop Oxford polyester nylon outer and a mesh lining, the Hakka Dog Life Preserver is low bulk, soft, breathable, and dries quickly. This means a comfortable experience for your furry companion. Additionally, the design doesn't restrict your dog's movements while swimming. Besides the diverse size options, this doggy life jacket has adjustable belts, so you can dial in a custom fit for your pet. As for the accessories on top, the grab strap makes rescue easy, while the D-ring allows you to clip in a leash. To cap it off, the bright colors and reflective stripes ensure you will be able to locate the dog quickly, even in low light conditions. Number 3. Zippy Paws Adventure Life Jacket for Dogs. The Zippy Paws Adventure Life Jacket delivers reliable flotation whether your dog is in the lake, river, or ocean. As an added safety measure, the bright hues and glowing strips ensure that your dog will be visible to boats, swimmers, and other waterbound traffic. Even though the Adventure PFD for dogs is filled with dense foam panels, it still manages to maintain minimal bulk and is one of the best rated dog life jackets when it comes to comfort. The low bulk design doesn't get in the way of movement, and the high quality material it's made of doesn't cause irritation. Whether you're looking for an extra small dog life jacket or a large dog life jacket, the Zippy Paws Adventure offers you 6 size options to choose from ranging from XXS to XL. Furthermore, the adjustable straps allow you to customize the vest around your dog's body. Finally, the built-in handle on the back makes it easy to retrieve your dog from the water. Number 4. The Vacay New Neoprene Sport Style Dog Life Jackets. The combination of a sporty design and neoprene construction makes the Vacay Sport Style Neoprene Life Vest the best life jacket for active dogs that require full freedom of movement. Safety is top level as well, as the vest is filled with extra flotation layers, making it one of the most buoyant dog PFDs. Above this is a top-rated dog life vest when it comes to quality as well. Thanks to the neoprene material and sports design, the Vacay Sport Style Dog PFD ranks as one of the most comfortable life jackets dogs don't mind wearing. It stretches to provide a comfortably snug fit and does not impede a dog's natural movements whether running on land or swimming in the water. With 3 adjustable straps and a heavy-duty fastening system, rest assured this life vest for a dog will be secure yet comfortable on your dog. The rescue strap on this vest is also awesome. It's large, thus easy to grab, and strong enough to handle even a heavy dog. Number 5. EasyDog Doggy Flotation Device Dog Life Vest. Loaded with up to 50% more buoyant material than standard dog life preservers, the EasyDog Dog Life Vest is quite thick and exceptionally buoyant. Because of this, it's the best floating vest for dogs that require a high level of flotation. Beyond this, the vest is incredibly well made and should last a long time. Even though the EasyDog has more flotation foam than standard pet flotation devices, the ergonomic design with well-placed foam panels keeps your dog comfortable and maintains a natural swimming position. Additionally, this vest will form to your dog's body and won't restrict their natural movement, whether on land or in the water. The nylon material is tough yet soft. When it comes to lifting dogs out of the water, the EasyDog Life Jacket for large dog has wide straps and a sturdy grab handle that can handle even the heaviest bulldogs. As for fit, the adjustable neoprene straps allow you to customize the vest for your dog. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.